Thinking of opening your store and becoming a professional Amazon seller in the UAE? What are the payment plans? What documentation do you need? All the information and so much more in today's video. Keep on watching. Hi, I'm Crystal. I'm a professional seller on Amazon in the UAE, and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society Middle East. We help and teach individuals and businesses sell on Amazon in the Middle East, sell and succeed on Amazon in the Middle East. If you want more information and if you'd like to register for our free online training, you'll find all the information and the links in the description box below. As always, leave any questions, comments, or thoughts in the comments section. This video is a breakdown of all the information that you need in order to register an account on Amazon as a seller in the UAE. Before I start, I need to address a very big misconception. If you're new to Amazon and selling on Amazon, because I know Amazon in the UAE is fairly new and it's something that has recently launched in the Middle East, you need to understand that you can actually sell on Amazon in the UAE without actually being from the UAE or residing in the UAE. So you can be from a completely different country and live in a completely different country and actually sell on the Amazon platform in the UAE, which is honestly an amazing thing for businesses who want to actually start selling on Amazon in the UAE, businesses or individuals. So on Amazon.ae, you only have one type of account known as the professional account. A professional account is normally the highest level of account you can actually have on Amazon.com. On Amazon.com, it costs $39.99 a month. On Amazon.ae, it costs zero, absolutely nothing. It's completely for free. So you can register and be a professional seller without having to pay any upfront costs. Obviously, you do pay seller fees when you start selling products. So every time you sell a product, there are various fees that Amazon take from the product that you just sold, but there are no upfront costs. So that's something very interesting, and you should look into possibly registering as soon as possible before Amazon actually changes their mind and starts taking money like a monthly payment or a one-time fee for anybody who wants to sell on Amazon in the UAE. The one requirement that you need to make sure that you have before you actually think of registering on Amazon in the UAE is you need to check the Amazon approved countries. If you do not reside or if you are not from one of those countries, then you cannot register on Amazon in the UAE. You do, however, have a solution or another option. You can register a business in the UAE in the free zone, which means you have 100% ownership, and use that business in order to sell products on Amazon in the UAE. If you want more information about how you can register, what is required, how much it costs, I'll leave the link to a video that I previously shot up in the cards or in the description box below. You can watch it if you're interested after you finish this video though. So if you are from or you reside in one of the Amazon approved countries, then you can move on and you can actually open your account on Amazon as a seller. So when you do log on and you decide to open your account, you can register as an individual or as a business. If you decide to register as an individual, then you need to upload a scanned copy of your ID. Depending on where you live, you might have the option of uploading a scanned copy of your passport and a scanned copy of your bank statement. You have to have your address on the bank statement so that Amazon actually approves your account. If you decide to open as a business, to register your account as a business, you need your business license or your business registration papers, as well as the ID of the person whose name is on the business license. If it's you or your partner, you need the scanned ID also. You need a credit card for both types of accounts. You need a credit card Amazon will not charge you anything. They just need to make sure that you have a credit card on hand. A debit card does not work. It has to be a credit card so that in case there's any charges later on when you start selling, they can actually have a way of using your credit card in order to just pay those charges. After 2 to 3 business days, you get an email with either an acceptance that yes, your account is open, or a reason why your account is open. Normally, the reason is because the documents are not clear and they ask you to rescan them probably and just upload them again, which you can do. I myself had a few issues when I opened my account. It took me around 3 to 4 times to actually get the paperwork clear and I got approved. The problem was I was using a free scanner app. So what was happening was I was scanning my documents using this application and it had a watermark. So Amazon was not actually understanding what this watermark was. And when I realized that was the problem, I actually just used a regular scanner and I got immediately approved after the 4th time. This was my quick tip video. Leave a thumbs up if you think this information was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Bye.